Black holes, the most mysterious and terrifying objects in the universe. What would happen if you fell into one? Would you be stretched infinitely? Would you enter another universe? Or would you simply cease to exist? Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate cosmic trap. As you get closer to a black hole, strange things start happening. The first thing you'd notice is time slowing down. To an outside observer, you'd appear to freeze just before crossing the event horizon, but from your perspective, everything seems normal. The event horizon is the ultimate point of no return. It's the boundary where even light cannot escape. Once you pass this invisible border, there's no way out, and what happens next depends on the size of the black hole. If the black hole is small, say just a few times the mass of the Sun, you'll experience what scientists call spaghettification. Gravity pulls on your feet stronger than your head, stretching you into a long, thin shape until you're ripped apart. A brutal end. But what if you fall into a supermassive black hole, like the one at the center of our galaxy? Surprisingly, the tidal forces are weaker at the event horizon, meaning you could cross it without instantly being torn apart. You might even experience a few moments of weightlessness before the real nightmare begins. Inside, all paths lead to the singularity, a point of infinite density where the laws of physics break down. No one knows what happens there. Are you crushed out of existence? Do you enter another universe? Or does the singularity itself destroy all information, erasing you from reality? Science has no clear answer. Some theories suggest that black holes could be gateways to other parts of the universe, or even to parallel realities. Einstein's equations allow for the existence of wormholes, but there's no proof they actually exist yet. So, would you survive a trip into a black hole? Not likely, but one thing is certain. Black holes remain one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of the universe. What do you think is inside? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, make sure to like and subscribe for more mind-bending space content. Until next time, stay curious.